Happening right now, the U.S. Supreme Court is tackling a crucial case, Louisiana's congressional map. This isn't just about the districts. It's a live legal battle at the U.S. Capitol that could dramatically reshape the balance of power, not only in Louisiana, but across the nation. You're watching KSLA News 12 at noon. I'm Dominique Ben. Sabrina Wilson explains what's at stake for two Louisiana congressmen and why Attorney General Liz Murrill isn't defending the map.
The High Court is just hours away from taking up a case involving Louisiana's congressional districts. The fight is over a congressional map approved by state lawmakers in 2024 that created a second majority black district as the state faced pressure from the courts.
Redistricting is just the process of redrawing those electoral boundaries every 10 years to conform with the population's movements.
That map was signed into law by Governor Landry, but a group of self-described non-black voters sued, saying the map is unconstitutionally gerrymandered, alleging there was too much emphasis on race. Tulane's Dr. Brandon Davis's research includes race and ethnic politics.
Gerrymander is just simply manipulation of the electoral boundaries to benefit one party over the other. Racial gerrymandering is manipulating those boundaries that affects the racial composition of the districts between themselves.
Initially, Louisiana Attorney General Liz Murrill said the new map was adopted with political considerations and that race was not the motivating factor. Now her office and the Trump administration will argue against it before the High Court.
When you crack a community up, a community of interest like a city, and then you pack the black voters into a district and the white voters into a district, it bleaches one and it packs the black voters into the other.
Cracking involves drawing electoral boundaries that divide the population across several districts.
It's a redistricting term called cracking and packing, so you can't do that.
Cleo Fields represents the new minority-majority district and Representative Troy Carter the other. If the court rules in the plaintiff's favor, both of their seats could be at risk.
It could potentially eliminate both of our seats. It could eliminate seats across our country where African Americans are currently serving.
There will be no requirement to attempt to draw districts, whereas minorities could have a descriptive representation or substantive representation.
Fields said the people deserve to know that the laws passed by their elected legislature will be given a full and fair defense. I just have the belief that the Attorney General should be willing to defend the work of the people's representatives.
Absolutely, she should.
This case has certainly had a lot of twists and turns. At one point, the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals here in New Orleans gave the state a deadline to redraw the congressional map or risk having the federal courts do it. Voting rights advocates say without lumping blacks into a single district, their voting strength is diluted.
We've never had a member of Congress to be elected from a white district. So, you know, the proof is in the pudding.
A decision from the Supreme Court is expected by the end of June or early July.